Hello, fellow travelers. Donna Spencer, Lucre Journey here. Got my trusty policy book, opened it up earlier, and thought maybe it would be a good idea to go over the Princess Cruise Lines Captain's Circle's reward policy. There are a number of benefits that come along with each level, but of course there's also a number of terms and conditions, because that's the way things go. When you have booked your first cruise on Princess, you will receive a blue medallion. As you can see, it's circular, hence Captain's Circle, and it's blue in color. Once you have completed your first cruise, your next color for your next cruise will be gold. So this is just to let everyone know this is your first cruise. You've never been on a Princess before, so you might need a little more help. You might have a couple more questions. Once you get to that second cruise and you're gold, you received Captain's Circle launch savings, which, according to the terms and conditions, the discounts apply only to residents of the US, Canada, UK, Australia, New Zealand, and Asia. Not applicable to the world cruises or voyages 45 days or longer. Discount not applicable to third and fourth berths. So if you are booking a cabin with 4 individuals, individual 3 and individual 4 will not get these discounts. Only 1 and 2 get the discounts from the launch savings. You got preferable pricing offers, members only onboard events, where you'll receive invitation to certain things that are taking place on board that are only open to individuals who have had more than 1 cruise on the ship. Access to the Circle host on board. Here, specific recognition pin. So a lovely pin. This first one obviously will be gold, or indicate that you are of the gold tier. A Circle magazine. Now, terms and conditions on there. It's available only to resident members in the US, Canada, UK, Australia, and New Zealand. And UK residents may receive a copy of a Journey magazine in place of the Circle magazine. Program void were prohibited by law. Other terms and conditions will apply. And they tell you to go ahead and go to the question page on princess.com if you have any for more additional information. A Circle Center online site that you can get to, and a Circle savings account. Very exciting. After you have completed 3 cruises or 30 days, and on a side note, this is one of the things I like about the Princess Reward Program, is instead of going exclusively by how many nights or days you're on the ship, they also go by how many cruises you've had. So if you take 3 6-day cruises with Princess, you still get to bump up to the Ruby status even though you've not yet reached that 30-day. It's whichever comes first. But as a Ruby tiered Captain's Circle, you will get everything from the gold plus exclusive shoreside access to the Captain's Circle help desk phone line, which terms and conditions, number 5, applicable only to resident members in the US, Canada, UK, Australia, and New Zealand. All right, so if you're at the destination, you're port side, and you have a question, you can call that number, that helpline, and they will give you specialized assistance. And then you also receive Princess Platinum Vacation Protection upgrades. 100% cancellation benefits, double accident and sickness benefits, and expanded medical expenses and evacuation coverage. And this is great for those that want to go through the Princess Cruise Line for their vacation protection and not through a third party. However, terms and conditions that apply, number 7, with purchase of standard Princess Vacation Protection available to US, Canadian, Mexican citizens, permanent residents, booked in North America only. This excludes residents of Quebec and Puerto Rico. Sorry guys. Once you have completed 5 cruises or 50 days sailing, you are bumped up to Platinum. Now, the Platinum tier grants you all the Gold and all the Ruby tier benefits, plus 50% off MedallionNet packages. So your internet will be 50% off. However, discount only available to Captain Circle Platinum and Elite guests for MedallionNet Wi-Fi packages on sailings embarking after July 24th, 2021. We're good. MedallionNet Wi-Fi packages purchased pre-cruise will be discounted on board, and the guest will receive a refund credit in their folio. Discount is not combinable with any other MedallionNet Wi-Fi offers, discounts, or promotions. Discount is not transferable and has no cash value. So you'll purchase your Wi-Fi package at time of booking, or when you select your dining options and preferences, but you won't see the discount until you get on, and then they will credit your account on board. So you'll basically be getting an onboard credit. You also will receive early access to Dine My Way reservations, priority boarding, 10% off the Lotus Spa treatments. Terms and condition number 9, discount available only to eligible Captain Circle Platinum and Elite guests for Lotus Spa treatments on sailings embarking after July 24th, 2021. Again, we're good. Spa treatments booked pre-cruise will be discounted on board, and guests will receive a refund credit to their folio. Discount is not combinable with any other spa treatment offers, discounts, and promotions. Not applicable for retail purchase. Discount is not transferable and has no cash value, and service charge based on full service prices. So, if you go into the Lotus Spa and you have a coupon that you picked up at one of their presentation or events for 30% off, you cannot combine the 10% and the 30% to get 40. You have to pick one or the other. 10% off photos in the photo gallery. Terms and conditions number 10. 10% off digital and printed photos and premium studio digital and printed photos at the onboard photo gallery. Does not apply towards any photo retail item or certain events such as weddings, renewal of vows, or group photos. A group consisting of 31 or more guests. Discount is combinable with 5 and 10 photo packages. Discount is not combinable with any other photo offers, discounts, or promotion. Discount is not transferable and has no cash value. So you cannot use this for big groups of 31 or more. You cannot use it with weddings, renewal of vows, but you can use it if it's just you and your hubby having a fabulous anniversary, or you and your family taking an amazing cruise. You get Platinum and Elite lounges, which I can tell you they are very nice, and they often have wonderful little sideboards with refreshments that are often interesting or new to try. It's also a great place to kind of chat with other people, get ideas, maybe make some nice connections. Complimentary destination collection. All right, terms and condition number 11. The destination collection brochure is automatically emailed to US and Canadian residents, Platinum and Elite members. After completing 15 cruises or 150 days sailing, you are then bumped up to the Elite status tier. Now, you'll get all the benefits of Gold, all the benefits of Ruby, all the benefits of Platinum. But my favorite is the benefits in the Elite status. You have early access to new itineraries, so new ports of call, new destinations, new trips. You'll get early access to all of those. 10% discount at the shops of Princess. Terms and conditions number 12. 10% off the shops of Princess discount is not compatible with any other offers, discounts, or promotions in the shops of Princess. Discount is not transferable and has no cash value. So if the item is on sale already for 25% off, you cannot combine the 25% off and the 10% off to get 35. You pick one or the other. 10% off shore excursions. Number 13, discount only available to eligible Captain's Circle Elite guests for shore excursions bookings made on sailings embarking after, you guessed it, July 24th, 2021. So we're good. Excursions booked pre-cruise will be discounted on board and the guests will receive a refund credit to their folio. Discount not applicable to transfers, shuttles, private vehicles, disembarkation tours, overland tours, or flight seeing tours. Discount is not combinable with any other shore excursion discount or offer. Discount is not transferable, nor does it have a cash value. You get priority ship to shore water shuttle embarkation. And to make sure I said that right. Meaning basically if we are at a port where you need to be tendered in or tendered back, you will have the ability to choose when you go first. Complimentary grapevine wine tasting event. For guests 21 and over, there's those terms and conditions. Complimentary grapevine wine tasting is 1 per cruise per elite member. So you cannot go to 3 nights out of the 6 that you're cruising and partake. Complimentary minibar setup. Terms and conditions for guests 21 and over. Complimentary minibar setup is 1 time only per elite stateroom. Now, I really appreciated this one because, as you know, my husband and I don't drink alcohol. And when we contacted the front desk, they were more than willing to swap the alcohol out for juices. So we had a range of juices to pick from, which I much more appreciated. You will have a deluxe Knapp selection on formal nights. So those cute little snack tray things that come to you on formal night, there's a number of small little hors d'oeuvres that you can kind of pick from. Complimentary afternoon tea in the staterooms. If you are a tea drinker, they will bring you everything you need for that cup of tea in the afternoon to your stateroom. It says specifically in stateroom. It does not say on deck, it does not say by the bar, it does not say by the pool, it says in your state. Priority disembarkation. So as elite members, you'll have the ability to get off the ship first and get your luggage and keep going. Upgraded bathroom amenities. Yes, who does not appreciate an upgraded bathroom? And then complimentary laundry services and shoe polishing. Terms and conditions on this one. Excludes same-day service. Excludes same-day service. So you hand it to your room steward in this bag and you write down what's in the bag and then they take it and the next day they bring it back. Fantastic service. I enjoyed every moment of it. Wasn't too crazy about having like t-shirts and stuff, undershirts, waving around on a hanger as they run through the hall. But, if you've got somebody else willing to do that for you, you really can't complain too bad. I mean, I'm not a big laundry person, so having someone else willing to do it, yes. Feel free to leave comments, questions down below. I try my best to get back to all comments and questions within 24 hours of them being posted. And don't be afraid to subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything and it lets me know that you're still interested in more of these policy discussions. Happy cruising! You get priority ship to shore waddle. And on the second night, we asked them to trade it out for chocolate covered strawberries because we just weren't crazy about not knowing what we were eating. And a lot of it was good, but I'm not nearly as brave, I guess, on a ship. And we'll just edit that out.